முப்பத்துமூவர் அமரர்க்கு முன் சென்று கப்பம் தவிர்க்கும் கலியே துயிலெழாய் செப்பமுடையாய் திரளுடையாய் செற்றார்க்கு வெப்பம் கொடுக்கும் விமலா துயிலெழாய் செப்பன்ன மென்முலை செவ்வாய் சிறுமருங்கில் நப்பின்னை நங்காய் திருவே துயிலெழாய் உக்கமம் தட்டொழியும் தந்தன் அளாளனை இப்போதே எம்மை நீர் ஆட்டேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In this pasuram, and Andal says முப்பத்து மூவர் are 8 Vasus, 11 Rudras, the 12 Adityas, and the 2 Ashwini Devatas, all add up to the 33 முப்பத்து மூவர் gods. She says, "O Krishna, you should protect us even before harm comes our way, just as you do for the முப்பத்து மூவர்." That's why she says, முப்பத்து மூவர் அமர்க்கு முன் சென்று கப்பம் தவிர்க்கும் கலியே. When she says kappam tavirkum kaliye, O proud and valorous Lord, who stops the tremblings of the devatas. The devatas are trembling. This kappam, the word is derived from the Sanskrit word kampanam. The trembling of the devatas is prevented. Seppamudayai. When she says Seppamudayai, this salutation recognizes the Kalyana Gunam of Arjavam, Nirmai of the Lord, the Satya Parakramasali. Tiraludayai, when she says Tiraludayai, the Samartyam of the recognizes the Kalyana Gunam, the Samartyam and competence of the Lord of the Sarvaloka Rakshakan is being celebrated here. Setrark Veppam Godukkum Vimala. When she says Setrark, Bhagavan has Samabuddhi towards all in general, but when it comes to the enemies of the Bhagavatas, he destroys the later. For instance, Lord Narasimha did not kill Hiranyakasipu for displaying enmity towards him, but for the mistreatment of his Bhagavata Prahalada. Then comes a word Vimala. There are 4 interrelated words here. Amalan, Vimalan, Nimalan, Nirmalan. Amalan means the one who destroys our sins. Vimalan means the one without dosham or ajnanam. Nimalan means one who is fearsome to approach by his enemies. Nirmalan means the one who does not have the dosham of looking for faults in those who seeks his refuge. Thus, the usage of the Namam of the Lord here as Vimalan means that he is Adipiran. Seppanna Menmalai Sevvai Sirumarangil Nappinnai Nangai is what the next sentence of this Pasuram, which salutes the Samudyas Anga Saundaryam of Nappinnai Pirati. And further, Andal says Thiruve, Nappinnai is addressed as Mahalakshmi Avataram here. Actually, she has involvement in Purushakrityam, the act of intercession with the Lord to protect the Jivan, just as Bhumi Devi and Sri Devi does. That is why the Acharya says, Samasta Jnanim Vande, Ukkam Tattoliyam Tandu. Ukkam is a fan for Bhagavata Kaingaryam. Alavatta Kaingaryam done by the Tirukachinam before Lord Varadaraja Swami. Tattoli is a mirror which is part of the Shodasa Upasharam for the Lord. Even today in Srirangam, the mirror is made up of bronze and is shown before the Lord daily as a sign of wishing him Subhamangalam. On Manalanai Ippode Yammai Neerattu is the next sentence. Please help perform our vratam related to ceremonial bath through your dear husband, who is Sarvakarva Samartyan. You should bless us with moksham. He should not treat us as Prabhannas, but recognize with your intercession of Purushakaram as true Prabhannas, and should bless us with the Kaingarya Prabhati and Moksham. And this Pasuram is exactly reflects the meaning of the Upanishad also. Ashrita Vishayi Arjavasalin Satruyana Bhaya Dhyayin Svacha Swabhava Jakrihi. When he says this is Upanishad. The same is being mentioned over here. Seppamadayai, Tiralodayai, Chettark, Veppam Godukkum, Vimala, Tuilada is the same meaning. Asrita Vishaye, Arjavasalin, Satyajnana Bhaya, Dhyayin, Svacha Swabhava, Jakrihi. So Andal is also handles Upanishad in this way in this Pasuram.